Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through using a DEX with Phantom Wallet to swap USDT for another token. We'll use Radium as the example, and I'll cover the safety checks so you don't accidentally lose funds. First, open Phantom and make sure it's unlocked and set to the Solana network. Tap the Discover icon in the bottom right to open Phantom's dApp browser. From the dApp list, choose Radium. When Radium loads, you'll be asked to agree to the site's terms. Accept and tap Enter Radium. Inside Radium, you'll see a Connect Wallet button. Tap it and choose Phantom. If you have more than one Phantom account, pick the account you want to use and confirm the connection in the Phantom pop-up. Now you're connected. Set the top token to USDT and the bottom token to the token you want to receive. In this example, WIF. If WIF doesn't appear in the token list, paste its contract address from a trusted source and add it carefully. Never add tokens from random links. Enter how much USDT you want to swap and look at the estimated output. Before you hit swap, open the advanced settings and check your slippage tolerance. Many new tokens require a slightly higher tolerance, but keep it as low as possible to avoid front-running or bad trades. Also check the minimum received and the route. Radium will show whether liquidity is coming from pools or a routed swap. When everything looks right, tap Swap. Phantom will pop up asking you to approve the transaction and show the network fee. Double-check the recipient address, should be your wallet, the token pair, and the fee. Confirm the transaction in Phantom. The DEX will submit the swap to the Solana network, and you can watch the transaction status in Phantom. Once confirmed, the WIF tokens should appear in your Phantom balance. If they don't show automatically, add the token to Phantom using the same contract address you used earlier. If this is your first time swapping that token or using a new DEX, do a small test swap. Send a tiny amount of USDT to make sure everything works. After a successful test, repeat the process with the full amount. If you want extra market context, connect Phantom to Dex Screener or open Jupiter or Orca instead of Radium to compare routes and fees. Dex Screener helps you track token price action and liquidity so you can avoid thin pools. Always verify token contract addresses from official sources, enable 2FA on any exchange accounts you use, and keep an eye on network congestion, which can change fees and confirmation times. That's it. Connect Phantom to Radium via Discover, approve the wallet connection, pick USDT to WIF, set slippage, confirm the swap in Phantom, do a small test if you're unsure, and add the token to your wallet if needed. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more crypto walkthroughs and safety tips. See you next time.